we are studying about in polynomial. And in the further, we are trying to trying to know the division algorithm for polynomial. Division algorithm. You have done already different type of division, but here this division is applying for polynomial as we have done already in class 9. So in this class we go further, थोड़ा सा और आगे जाएंगे, उसका एप्लीकेशन पढ़ेंगे. Suppose you have given a polynomial px and other polynomial gx, there be a polynomial qx and a rx. When px divided by gx and give quotient qx and so on gets remainder rx. When you divide any polynomial px, you can get a quotient qx and remainder rx. Remainder rx may be 0 or degree of remainder is always be less than the degree of divisor gx. So in this, if we will write this division in the algebraic form, this can be written as px equal to gx into qx plus rx, where degree of rx is less than degree of gx and rx may be equal to 0. This said to be a division algorithm for polynomial. डिग्री ऑफ पी आर एक्स रिमाइंडर की डिग्री क्वोशंट की डिग्री से हमेशा लेस होनी चाहिए. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, रिमाइंडर में भी 0. वन मोर थिंग वी कैन सी हियर, whenever you will get this first thing, second thing we can see here, when remainder gets 0, when rx equal to 0, remainder gets 0, then we can say that px, then px then gx is a factor of px. When your remainder becomes 0, we can say completely it is divisible. So then we can say that this gx is a factor of polynomial px. Now let us do with some example. Let's try this division. px equal to x square minus 3x x cube minus 3x square plus 5x plus minus 3 and gx equal to x square minus 2. You have done it in class 9 also. So right, first of all we will write the polynomial px or dividend in standard form. What is standard form? Decreasing order of degree. Terms in arrange the terms in decreasing order of degree. टर्म को ऐसा अरेंज करेंगे कि सबसे बड़ा पावर, सबसे बड़ी डिग्री वाला टर्म पहले हो, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट हो, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट हो, डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ देयर degree. This is called standard form. In this case, it is already 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. It is already in the form of standard form. So minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 should be divided by x square minus 2. This also should be in the standard form, right? You can do it without standard form, but when you arrange this standard form, you will not get a problem. It will be easy for you. So this first term is x square. This first term is, or we can say the higher degree term is x cube. So now first of all we will try to cancel out this term. We will try to cancel out this term. Now choose quotient such that if quotient multiply in this, this should be equal to this first term, because we want to cancel the first term. So take here quotient. Here we can see that x square and here are x cube. When you multiply x in this term, you will get x cube. So take a quotient x. In other words, हमको ये फर्स्ट टर्म कंप्लीट करना है, इसको कैंसिल करना है, इतना हमारे पास होना चाहिए. हमारे पास है कितना? एक्स स्क्वायर. अब आप माइंड करिए, याद करिए, ट्राई करिए, इसमें हम क्या मल्टीप्लाई कर दें कि हमारा इतना पूरा कंप्लीट हो जाए. ये पूरा कंप्लीट करना है, उसके आगे हमको नहीं सोचना है. सो हियर आर एक्स स्क्वायर पावर 2 एंड वी नीड मोर पावर 1. So x into x cube gets x into x square gets x cube. X into x square gets x cube. Now this is, इसको हमने क्या किया? knowingly किया कि इतना हमको लाना है anyway. Second thing, when you multiply this quotient in minus 2 also, second term, you will get minus 2x. X into minus 2 gets minus 2x, and this will राइट इन अंडर लाइक टर्म. कहाँ इसको लिखेंगे? लाइक टर्म के ही नीचे लिखेंगे. तो दिस इंटू दिस इज माइनस 2x रिटेन हियर, बिकॉज x and x both have same degree. Now just subtract it, change the sign, this plus minus cancel out. अब in the next, अब आप करेंगे just according to the standard form. पहले higher degree, फिर उससे lower, फिर उससे lower. Now see, we see here this is higher minus 3x square. Then here are power 2, now power 1 or degree 1. 5x plus and 2x plus gets 7x and carry out 3 as it is. Right? क्या किया हमने? सब्ट्रैक्शन किया. इसको जब भी हम नीचे कैरी करेंगे, ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू दी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. सबसे पहले माइनस 3x स्क्वायर, दिस इज प्लस 5x प्लस 2x गेट्स प्लस 7x एंड दिस इज माइनस 3 एज इट इज. नाउ अगेन ट्राई टू कैंसिल आउट दिस. अगेन वी विल ट्राई टू कैंसिल आउट दिस. हमको इतना लाना है यहाँ पर. इसमें क्या मल्टीप्लाई करें? व्हाट शुड बी मल्टीप्लाई इन दिस, और व्हाट शुड बी आवर क्वोशेंट? दैट शुड बी मल्टीप्लाई इन दिस टू गेट दिस. क्वोशेंट क्या लें? इसमें मल्टीप्लाई करने पे इतना आ जाए. इन अदर वर्ड ये कैसे कि इसमें क्या क्या कमी है, इतना बनाने के लिए क्या क्या कमी है, टेक इट एज ए क्वोशेंट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी सी हियर इज नो माइनस, सो यू कैन टेक माइनस. Here is multiple 3, so you can take multiple 3. Now minus 3 is here and x square is always equal to x square. No problem taking x. So this is minus 3 into x square gets minus 3x square. Now both are equal, so they are right. Minus 2 into minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 3 gets plus 6. Plus 6 will be written here under a like term. Like term के नीचे ही लिखेंगे. This is constant and this is also constant. So now subtract it. We will get here plus and minus. This plus minus is cancelled out. Again we can write here, carry here plus 7x, and minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. Now further, how, one more question here arising here, that can we go further division or not? See in this question, degree of the quotient is 2, sorry, degree of the polynomial gx is 2, or degree of divisor is 2, degree of remainder is what? Degree of remainder is less than 2, that is 1. Since degree of remainder is less than degree of divisor, so we cannot go further division. This is our answer. In this question, quotient is qx equal to x minus 3, and remainder Rx is 7x minus 9, quotient and remainder. Okay, this is our division of polynomial. Now take another question. P of t equal to t square minus 3, and this can be written g of t, and P of t equal to t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12 is this gt is a factor of, is polynomial gt t square minus 3 is a factor of polynomial pt this, right? Now we have to check it, ये gt pt का polynomial है या नहीं है, जैसे हम पीछे देख चुके हैं. See, now first of all try the division. So write in ascending order. T cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12 divided by t cube minus 3. Right? So same thing, same method. It is t cube, it is 2t power 4. So now first of all we try to cancel out this. What should be quotient? We have take a quotient such that quotient multiply this and we should get here this. क्या कमी है यहाँ पे? First of all 2 नहीं है. t power 4 है हमारे पास, t power 3 है. We can take 1t because t into t cube gets t power 4. Whenever you multiply this in this, that is 2 1 ja 2, t is cube and t is t power 4. Next, we should multiply 2t in the minus 3. So minus 3 and plus 2t gets the minus plus minus 6t square. 3 2 ja 60. Sorry, minus plus minus 6t. This 6t written as a under the like term, right? This is 3 into 2 60. Now subtract this. change the sign, this to be cancelled out, I write done, carry 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t plus 60 gets minus 3t because minus is greater, 9 यहाँ पे है, 6 यहाँ पे प्लस 6 है, निकल गया, 3 तो बचा, कौन बचा जो ग्रेटर है, माइनस ग्रेटर, इसलिए माइनस बचा, माइनस 12. And the next, try to cancel out this. Here, what is here? What should be quotient here? We should multiply t cube by 3. We can get 3t cube. So multiply this by 3. This will give you 3t cube. 3 multiply t cube give you 3t cube. Next minus 3 multiply plus 3, 3 is 9 and written over here 9. Minus 3 plus 3 9. Now change the sign. This cancelled out and you will write here 2t cube minus 2t square minus 3t minus 3. Right? Now next we see here degree of divisor is more than the degree of remainder. So we cannot go further division. अब हम डिवीजन नहीं कर सकते इसलिए कि रिमाइंडर की डिग्री डिवीजर से कम हो गई, यहाँ 3 है, यहाँ 2 है. So this is called remainder. We observe here that remainder is not 0. As हमने आपको जैसे बताया था अगर रिमाइंडर 0 होता है तो फैक्टर है, either unless नहीं है. So we can say gx gt equal to t cube minus 3 is not a factor of pt. Okay, this is the division. 1 minute. Now let us take another example. In this example, we have not got a divisor. We have not got factor. So let us take one example. We show the factor. Nagarinda?
18.
18. Take example. Gx equal to x cube x square plus 3x plus 1 x square plus 3x plus 1 a factor of px 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 6x square. Now see this example. Gx is a factor of px or not. Now do the long division. 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2 divided by x square plus 3x plus 1. Just like as previously said, this is x square. Now we want to make it 3x power 4. क्या क्या कमी यहाँ पे 3 नहीं है and x square नहीं है. If you multiply this by 3x square, you can get 3, and x square gets x power 4. So this will be 3x power 4. Now multiply this in this. 3 3 ja 9. X and x square will be x cube. Right? Plus plus plus. 3 3 ja 9. X and x square is x cube. Now 3x square multiplied by 1 gets 3x square. This is plus 3x square. Now change the sign, minus, minus, minus. This will cancel out. Plus 5x cube minus 9x cube give you minus 4x cube. Because minus is more. This is 9. Minus 3x, sorry, minus 7x square minus 3 square gets minus 10x square. Now carry this. Right? Next, in the next, we'll try to find out this. Minus 4x square. Here are no minus, so you can take quotient minus. No 4 here, so you can take here 4. Now x, here are x square, and you have to make x cube. Now you can take x also. So minus 4x multiplied in this gets minus 4x cube. Minus 4 इसका multiply किसमें करेंगे? x square में, that is minus 4x cube. Now minus 4x multiply in this. Minus plus minus 4 3 ja 12. 4x into 3x. 4 3 ja 12x into x, x square. Now minus 4x multiply into 1 gets minus 4x. Plus here and here are minus gets minus. Now just you subtract it by changing sign. This to be cancelled out. 10 plus 2 gets 2x square. Now plus 4 plus 2 gets 6. Both are plus, so this will be added. सेम साइन है तो क्या करेंगे? एड कर देंगे. डिफरेंट साइन है तो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. राइट? नाउ दिस इज plus 2. Again come forward. We observe here that degree of the divisor and remainder is same, but degree has no problem. Degree of remainder should not be less than divisor, but here are same, so you can go further division one step more. So what is quotient should be here? Here is no 2, so we can take quotient plus 2. So 2 into x square gets 2x square. ये हमारा बिल्कुल सेम आ गया. It means we are correct. Plus 2 into plus 3x gets plus 6x. Plus 2 into plus 1 gets 2. Now just subtract it. This also cancelled, this also cancelled, this also cancelled. Now remainder is 0. Since here remainder is becomes 0, or we can say it is divided completely. Right? Remainder 0 आ गया, completely divide हो गया. So we can say gx is a factor of px. Okay? Now we have performed 3 division and also factor here. Let us try homework. First, if px equal to x cube minus 3x plus 1 and px equal to x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square. 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. check whether gx is a factor of px. Second, find quotient and remainder when px divides by dx. Find x. Px equal to x power 4 minus 3 square plus 4 square 5. X power 4 minus 3 and dx equal to x square plus 1 minus x. Yes, students, complete this homework, and all the students belonging to Tikra Public School should write a comment with your name and section. And any problem you get, also write in the comment with your name and section. Thank you.